Okay, children, a very good morning to all of you. So, in the previous class, I was discussing problems, I mean application of linear equation in one variable, where we had discussed one word problem. Okay, so today let us discuss few more problems on application of linear equation in one variable. Let us see. I have taken one question, which is a very important one. See, the question is written here. What is the meaning of the question? I have drawn the figure also. See, what is the meaning of the question? See, suppose A and B are two towns. A and B are any two towns. Okay. Now the distance between the two towns is given. Say 300 km in the question. Okay. They are apart from one another by 300 km. Okay. Now what is happening? What the question says? The question says that two cars. You see, suppose this is one car, this is one car. Both the cars are moving towards each other. See, car A, this car from town A is moving towards B, and this car from town B is moving towards town A. Okay. But at what speed they are moving, we do not know. What is given? It is given that the speed of one car is, you see, speed of one car is 7 km per hour more than the other. That means, suppose speed of the car which leaves town B is 7 km per hour more than the speed of the car which leaves town A. Okay. Speed of this car is more than the speed of this car by suppose 7 km. This is given per hour. Next. That means you see, both the cars are moving, they are traveling at different speed. This car is moving at a speed 7 km per hour more than the speed of this car. Then after 2 hours, you see, what is the question? After 2 hours, distance between the two cars is 34 km. See, that means after 2 hours, since this car is moving, this car is also moving, so they must cover some distance after 2 hours. So what is the distance covered after? What is the distance covered by this car after 2 hours, and what is the distance covered by this car after 2 hours, which leaves town B? So suppose AP, look at, suppose after 2 hours the car which leaves town A reaches at P. Similarly, suppose after 2 hours the car which leaves town B reaches at Q. The position of the car after 2 hours which leaves town B is say at Q, and the position of the car which leaves town A after 2 hours is suppose P. Then what is the question? According to the question, after 2 hours the distance between the two cars, the distance between the two cars is definitely PQ, and it is given 34 km. So what is the question? What you have to find out? You have to find the speed of the two cars. Now how to find out? Let us see. Okay, with the help of linear equation. See, children, it is given that speed of one car is more than the other by 7 km per hour. So you can take the speed of any one car as x. You can take the speed of car leaving town A as x km per hour, or leaving town B as x km per hour. It is up to you, no problem. So suppose you see, what will I do? Let speed of car, you see, leaving, or first car you can say, there is no need. The speed of first car you can write. Speed of first car equal to suppose x km per hour. This is x. This car is moving at a speed of x km per hour. Then the car leaving town B, it is leaving at x plus 7 km per hour according to the question. Okay. So speed of second car, therefore speed of second car will be your x plus 7 km per hour. Okay. Now see children, now we got the speed of first car and we got the speed of second car, that is x km per hour and x plus 7 km per hour. Okay. So you see, this car is moving at a speed of x km per hour, and this car is moving, the car leaving town B, suppose, moving at a speed of x plus 7 km per hour. Okay. Now, for how long both of them have traveled? For how long? According to the question, for how long or for what time both the cars have traveled? They have traveled for 2 hours. That means in 2 hours, the car which leaves town A must have covered some distance, and similarly, in 2 hours the car leaving from town B, it will also have covered some distance. Okay, now we have to find out how much distance the first car has covered in 2 hours and how much distance the second car has covered in 2 hours, the same 2 hours, because we know the speed of both the cars, you see. So we are given time taken, you see, time taken, we are given time taken is 2 hours. Okay, time taken equal to 2 hours. Now you find out what will be the distance. Distance covered by first car. Distance covered by first car in 2 hours. What will be the formula for distance? You know, speed equal to, you know the formula, speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time is, distance by time will be speed. Now then how to find the distance? Speed into time. Speed into time. So speed is how much? Speed of the first car is x and time is 2 hours. So it will be 2x kilometer. Similarly, distance by second, 2x kilometer, and 2x kilometer means this is your AP. This is equal to AP. The length AP. AP is the distance covered by the first car which leaves town A at a speed of x kilometer per hour in 2 hours. Okay. In 2 hours AP is equal to the distance covered by the first car which leaves town A at a speed of x kilometer per hour. Similarly, distance covered by second car. Second car means which leaves town B at a speed of x plus 7 km per hour. We know the speed and time. So distance covered by second car in 2 hours is equal to which one? It will be after 2 hours, suppose it reaches at Q. That means the length will be BQ. So it is BQ. It is again the same formula. Distance is speed into time. What is the speed? Speed is x plus 7 and time is 2. So it is 2 into x plus 7 kilometer. Okay. So we got how much distance the first car covered in 2 hours, and we got how much distance the second car covered also in 2 hours. That is AP and your BQ. So AP is how much? AP equal to 2x and BQ equal to how much? It is 2 into x plus 7. Okay. Now, according to question, what is the distance between the two cars after 2 hours? It is 34 km. That means the length PQ, the distance between P and Q is 34. So we are also given, you see, so we are given PQ equal to how much? 34 kilometer. It is given. Okay. So what will be the question? According to question, what will be the equation? AP plus PQ plus QB. You see, according to question, AP plus PQ, because we have to form linear equation, then only we can find the value of x. You see, so AP plus PQ plus AP plus PQ plus BQ will be equal to AB. And what is the length of AB? It is 300 kilometer. The distance between the two towns AB is 300 kilometer. So in place of AB we will write 300 kilometer in the next step. Now you put the value. What is AP? AP is 2x. PQ is 34. And what is BQ? BQ is your 2 into x plus 7, which is equal to 300. See children, we got a linear equation. And now on solving we can find what is the value of x. What will be the value of x? That will be the speed of the car leaving from town A. And you add 7 to that x, you will get the speed of the car leaving from town B. Okay. So it will be 2x plus 2x, it is 4x, 34 plus 14, you see, 34 plus 14 equal to 300, so it is 4x equal to 300 minus 34, 44, 40, 34, 44, 48. Subtract it will be 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 4, it is 5, 252. 252. So x will be 252 divided by 4. It is your 4, 6 is 24, 163. See, 63. So x is 63. That means speed of the car leaving town A speed of the car, therefore speed of the car leaving town A is 63 km per hour. Therefore speed of car leaving or first car equal, right? Speed of first car equal to speed of first car equal to 63 km per hour. Now what will be the speed of second car? It is 7 km per hour more given, x plus 7, so you are. So speed of second car, therefore speed of second car equal to x plus 7, that is your 63 plus 7, that is 70 km per hour. See children, in this way you can solve this particular question, this type of question. Okay. So children, I hope you understood how the concept of linear equation is applied to our problems. We will discuss 2-3 more problems in the next class to complete this chapter. Okay. Thank you.